Hello, welcome to this video on extended reality and immersive learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the different extended reality types from augmented reality to virtual reality. Then we are going to see the technological affordances and the instructional benefits of extended reality and immersive learning. Let's dive into the fascinating world of extended reality, often abbreviated as XR. First, we have augmented reality or AR. This technology overlays digital content onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with our environment. Next, there is mixed reality or MR. This takes a step further by blending real and virtual elements in a way that allows them to interact seamlessly. Um, it's like having a virtual pet that responds to your real world environment. Finally, we have virtual reality or VR, which creates fully immersive environments. Here, you step into a completely virtual world, leaving the physical world behind. It's like diving into a whole new reality altogether. These forms of extended reality offer exciting possibilities, and as we explore further, we'll see how they enhance learning experiences. What are the technological affordances in extended reality? These advancements create environments where learners actually feel inside the experience. This deep sense of immersion and presence enhances focus and significantly reduces distractions. Moving on to interactivity, these technologies allow learners to manipulate objects and scenarios in real time. Enhanced visualization is another key benefit. It transforms complex or abstract concepts like molecules or historical events into tangible and explorable experiences. This makes learning not just informative but truly engaging. Finally, the scalability and repeatability of these experiences mean they can be tailored for individual learning or scaled up for larger groups. They can be replayed, ensuring consistent learning outcomes. Now we are going to explore the instructional benefits of this immersive learning technology. First, we have experiential learning. This approach allows students to learn by doing, whether it is piloting a plane or practicing a foreign language in a simulated cultural environment. This hands-on experience moves learners from merely consuming information to actively interacting with it, significantly boosting retention. Next, let's consider the shift from active versus passive learning. Immersive environments encourage students to engage with material, stimulating curiosity and driving persistence in their learning tasks. This engagement leads to deeper understanding and a more meaningful educational experience. Finally, we are going to talk about feedback and assessment. XR systems have the capability to track learner actions and provide immediate data-driven feedback. This real-time response allows students to understand their progress and areas for improvement, making learning more personalized and effective. Remember, these technological affordances, when applied in education, lead to powerful pedagogical outcomes. What is immersive learning? Immersive learning is all about creating environments where learners are not just passive observers but active participants. Educational research highlights that when learners are deeply involved in an environment, whether virtual or physical, that mimics real life scenarios, the learning becomes more impactful. The core element here is a sense of presence. This means learners feel as though they are inside the experience. It's not just about them watching or listening, it's about them being part of the environment, feeling every aspect of it. Imagine the difference between reading about a historical event and standing in a virtual recreation of it. This involvement enhances engagement and understanding significantly. These immersive experiences are powerful tools that transform the way we approach learning, making it more engaging and effective for everyone involved. As we think about designing immersive learning experiences, there are several key considerations to keep into mind. First, the pedagogical alignment is crucial. It ensures that the technology we use supports the learning goals we've set. We must ask ourselves whether the tools rather are enhancing the educational experience. Secondly, we focus on the learner-centered experience. This means prioritizing the needs and perspectives of the students. We aim for a setting where they feel empowered and engaged. It's about making sure they are active participants rather than passive observers. Next, we have accessibility and equity. We need to ensure that these learning environments are accessible to all students, regardless of their abilities or backgrounds. This is essential for creating a fair and inclusive educational landscape. On the technical side, authenticity and context are vital. The environment should feel real and relevant to the learner's experiences. This authenticity enhances a sense of presence and engagement. Finally, the technical feasibility of these tools is something to consider. We need to balance technological innovation with practical usability, ensuring that the systems are not only cutting edge, but also user friendly and reliable. These design and evaluation considerations are foundational in crafting impactful, immersive learning experiences. They help ensure that we not only meet educational objectives, but also inspire and motivate our learners. Thank you for listening to this video to the end.